Welcome to the revolutionary world of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. Have you ever imagined a system where traditional organizational hierarchies are replaced by a collective decision-making process? In a DAO, this is the reality. A recent buzz surrounds a DAO project that amassed a whopping $40 million in funding within just days of its launch, showcasing the immense potential and trust people are placing in these decentralized entities. The allure of DAOs goes beyond just decision-making. It extends to profit sharing among members, creating a collaborative and potentially lucrative environment for all involved. But how exactly can you be part of this revolution? Whether by joining an existing DAO or taking the plunge to create a new one, the doors to innovative profit-sharing mechanisms are wide open. In this video, we will navigate through the core concepts of DAOs, unravel the process of joining or creating one, and explore real-world examples of how DAOs are reshaping the business landscape. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating decentralized world that is redefining how we think about organizations and profit sharing. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's delve a little deeper into what DAOs actually are. At its core, a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, is like an organization run by code rather than people. They operate on blockchain technology, which is a type of digital ledger that records transactions across many computers in a way that ensures the security and transparency of the data. The rules of the DAO are embedded within smart contracts on the blockchain, ensuring they are executed exactly as written, without the interference or bias of a centralized authority. What sets DAOs apart is the democratic governance structure they embody. Unlike traditional organizations where decisions are made by a select few at the top, in a DAO, every member has a say. The level of influence you have can be tied to the number of tokens you hold in the DAO, making the decision-making process a collective endeavor. Now, what about the profit-sharing aspect? DAOs have the potential to create a more equitable distribution of profits among members, by aligning individual incentives with the collective success of the organization. This is a shift from the conventional profit models we are accustomed to, and is what makes DAOs a compelling avenue for individuals and groups alike. The intrigue doesn't stop here. As we progress, we will explore the step-by-step process of becoming part of a DAO, and how this decentralized model is being adopted to create real-world value. So, the excitement is just beginning. Stick around as we uncover more layers of DAOs and their impact on profit-sharing mechanisms. Building upon what we've uncovered so far, let's delve into the heart of how you can become part of a DAO and partake in its profit-sharing mechanisms. Joining a DAO can be as simple as purchasing tokens of that DAO, which essentially are your membership tickets. These tokens not only represent your membership but also your voting power within the DAO. The more tokens you hold, the more say you have in the decisions the DAO makes. On the other hand, if you're ambitious and have a unique idea, creating a new DAO is also within reach. With the right technical know-how and a community of like-minded individuals, you can set up a DAO to operate on principles and objectives that you collectively agree upon. The foundation of a DAO lies in its smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. This code governs how the DAO operates, how decisions are made, and how profits are shared among members. Now, the profit-sharing aspect is what often captures the imagination. In a DAO, profits generated from projects or investments are distributed among members based on the agreed-upon smart contracts. This model fosters a collaborative environment where every member is incentivized to contribute to the DAO's success, as they share in the profits it generates. The DAO model is not just a theoretical concept, it's a real-world solution being adopted to tackle various challenges. As we move forward, we'll dissect real-world examples of DAOs, shedding light on how they operate, and how they are creating value for their members. The journey into the decentralized realm continues, and as we unravel these examples, you'll see the tangible impact DAOs are making in today's digital landscape. As we venture further into the realm of decentralized autonomous organizations, it's essential to acknowledge the legal and ethical framework that encompasses them. DAOs operate in a digital frontier, but they intersect with the tangible world, bringing forth legal considerations that are crucial to understand. The decentralized nature of DAOs challenges traditional legal frameworks, creating a new paradigm that demands a thorough examination and potentially, new legislative approaches. Moreover, the challenge doesn't end at legal boundaries. Ethical considerations are equally paramount. The democratic ethos of DAOs is revolutionary, yet it calls for a collective responsibility among members to ensure ethical practices in decision-making and profit distribution. The absence of a central authority could lead to a power vacuum, or worse, a tyranny of the majority. Thus, designing a DAO with a balanced governance structure is crucial to mitigate potential ethical dilemmas. Looking ahead, the potential for DAOs to reshape industries is boundless. They present an avenue for innovative collaborations, transparent operations, and equitable profit sharing. Yet, with great potential comes great challenges. Overcoming regulatory hurdles and establishing a sound ethical framework are imperative steps towards realizing the transformative promise of DAOs. Now, as we transition into real-world examples, you'll get to see how these theoretical principles are applied in practice. How have DAOs navigated the complex legal landscapes? How have they ensured ethical practices while distributing profits among members? And most importantly, how have they created value not just for their members, but for the broader community? Stay tuned as we explore these questions through practical instances, illustrating the profound impact DAOs are having on the modern business ecosystem. Now, let's traverse from theory to practice by exploring a real-world example of a decentralized autonomous organization in action. Consider the case of the DAO, one of the earliest and most notable attempts to create a decentralized organization. The DAO was designed as a complex smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain, with the ambition to create a venture capital fund controlled by token holders. Members could propose projects and vote on which ones to fund. The more tokens a member held, the greater their voting power. This democratic process aimed to harness collective wisdom and distribute profits from successful projects back to the members. It was a groundbreaking model that showcased how decentralized governance and profit sharing could function. However, despite its innovative structure, the DAO also serves as a lesson on the importance of robust security measures. A vulnerability in its code led to a significant portion of funds being drained by an attacker, ultimately resulting in a controversial hard fork of the Ethereum blockchain to rectify the situation. The tale of the DAO is not just a lesson in the potential and pitfalls of decentralized autonomous organizations, but also a springboard for future projects. It sparked a multitude of discussions and led to enhanced security measures in subsequent DAOs. As we prepare to dive into another distinct example, reflect on the innovative spirit of the DAO, and the evolution it triggered in the decentralized space. The narrative of DAOs is filled with both triumphs and challenges, each one propelling the ecosystem towards a more secure and equitable model. Up next, we'll explore a different DAO that took these lessons to heart, demonstrating a unique approach to decentralized governance and profit sharing. Stay with us as the exploration into the dynamic world of DAOs continues. Transitioning from the tale of the DAO, let's now delve into a contrasting example that showcases another facet of decentralized autonomous organizations. Meet Moloch DAO, a project that tailored its structure to prioritize simplicity and security, learning from the mishaps of earlier attempts like the DAO. Moloch DAO was conceived with a focus on funding Ethereum infrastructure projects, a critical aspect for the sustenance and growth of the ecosystem. The unique aspect of Moloch DAO is its Rage Quit feature, allowing members to exit the DAO with their share of the funds if they disagree with a decision, thus providing an individual autonomy while preserving the collective ethos of the DAO. This mechanism enhances the trust and comfort level of the participants, knowing they have an exit strategy if the DAO's decisions don't align with their expectations. Moreover, Moloch DAO's minimalistic design and clear focus on funding essential projects demonstrate how DAOs can be structured to address specific goals while providing a fair and transparent process for members to propose, vote, and fund projects. The profit-sharing mechanism here aligns with the broader objective of supporting the Ethereum ecosystem, showcasing how DAOs can be tailored to serve both individual and collective interests. This example illustrates that with thoughtful design and clear objectives, DAOs can create a harmonious balance between individual autonomy and collective decision-making, all while fostering a conducive environment for profit sharing. As we near the conclusion of our exploration, these practical examples paint a vivid picture of the versatility and potential of DAOs in reshaping how we collaborate, make decisions, and share profits. The decentralized narrative is evolving, with each DAO bringing forth new lessons, strategies, and opportunities. Stay with us as we encapsulate the key takeaways and reflect on the journey of decentralized autonomous organizations in our concluding segment. The horizon of DAOs is expansive, and the exploration is merely beginning. As we draw to the close of this enlightening exploration, it's crucial to reflect on the innovative landscape that decentralized autonomous organizations have unveiled. The journey through the fundamentals of DAOs, the step-by-step process of joining or creating one, and the vivid real-world examples have all converged to highlight the transformative potential of this decentralized model. DAOs present a novel paradigm where the collective is empowered, decision-making is democratized, and profit-sharing is orchestrated in a transparent and equitable manner. They stand as a testament to the innovative spirit of the blockchain community, continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible in organizational structures and profit-sharing mechanisms. As you contemplate the idea of engaging with a DAO, either by joining an existing one or pioneering a new one, the possibilities are boundless. Each DAO carries its unique ethos, objectives, and community, offering a spectrum of opportunities to contribute, innovate, and share in the collective success. The conversation around DAOs is burgeoning, and the narrative is far from complete. As regulatory frameworks evolve and the community continues to learn from both triumphs and tribulations, the DAO ecosystem is poised for a future filled with innovation and collaborative success. We thank you for journeying with us through the intricate yet enthralling world of decentralized autonomous organizations. If this exploration has ignited your curiosity, we invite you to delve deeper, connect with DAO communities, and perhaps, be part of the next big DAO initiative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful explorations into the blockchain realm. Your engagement fuels our motivation to bring more enlightening content your way. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the decentralized frontier.